how to fix calls answer automatically within a few seconds on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone application. Next tap on the more button and then go into settings. In call settings, we go down and tap on answering and ending calls. And then go down here and say answer automatically, so you tap on that and make sure it is turned off. Now if this is turned on and when you are connected to a headset or a Bluetooth device, it will automatically answer after a few seconds. So simply switch it off and this will fix your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.